In this video, I'll show you how to make your Xbox internet faster using an easy method so you can download games quicker and get smoother online gameplay. Let's start with one of the biggest factors that affects Xbox internet speed, and that's how your console is connected to the internet. If you can, always use a wired Ethernet connection. A wired connection is almost always faster and more stable than Wi-Fi, especially for large game downloads and online gaming. If using a cable isn't possible, then make sure your Xbox is as close to your router as possible so it can connect using a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band instead of 2.4 GHz. The 5 GHz band is much faster, while 2.4 is more stable but slower. Another important tip is to avoid playing games while downloading updates or new games. When you're playing and downloading at the same time, your Xbox will throttle the download speed. If you want the fastest possible download, pause any gameplay, start the download, and let it run without interruption. Now, let's move into the Xbox settings to fine-tune the network configuration. From the Xbox home screen, press back and open the settings menu using the gear icon in the top right corner. Once you're in settings, go to General, then open Network Settings. Before changing anything, select Test Network Speed and Statistics. This gives you a baseline so you can compare results after making changes. On this screen, also look at the wireless details on the right side and check whether your Xbox is connected via 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Next, we're going to adjust the DNS settings, which can sometimes improve download speed and connection stability. Still inside Network Settings, go to Advanced Settings, then select DNS Settings. Change this from automatic to manual. First, we'll try Google DNS. For the primary DNS, enter 8.8.8.8, then confirm. For the secondary DNS, enter 8.8.4.4 and confirm again. Once that's done, go back and let the settings save. Now you can either test network speed again or check your game download to see if there's any improvement. If the speed stays the same or feels slower, that's normal. DNS performance can vary depending on your location and internet provider. Let's try another popular option, Cloudflare DNS. Go back to Advanced Network Settings, open DNS Settings, set it to manual again, and for the primary DNS, enter 1.1.1.1. For the secondary DNS, enter 1.0.0.1. Save the settings and return to your downloads to see if the speed improves. In many cases, Cloudflare DNS provides a more stable and faster connection, especially for downloads. Remember, results will vary depending on your internet plan. If you have faster internet, you'll usually notice bigger changes when testing different DNS servers. That's why it's a good idea to experiment and stick with the one that gives you the most consistent speed. Finally, for an extra boost and more stable gaming experience, especially online, using a high-quality VPN can sometimes help by routing your connection more efficiently and avoiding ISP throttling during peak hours. For that, I recommend NordVPN. It's fast, secure, and works well for gaming setups. Use the NordVPN link in the description to try it out and potentially get faster, smoother Xbox internet speeds.